Hello and welcome to another quick video on how to access our online parents' evening. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually join a meeting with a teacher that you have already booked on the night of parents' evening. So in front of you, you should be able to see on the screen my email inbox. In this example, I'm using Gmail, so your email inbox may look different to this if you're using a different email provider. But I have already booked a meeting with a teacher. So I'm meeting with an acting teacher, and I'm now trying to actually access that meeting. As you can see, I've had a couple of emails from my booking confirming my booking. And the one I'm going to use to access the online meeting on the night is the one called confirmed, and then the subject of the meeting. So in this case, acting. On the night, we're actually asking that when you go to access your first meeting, please can you log on and try and access the meeting 10 minutes prior to the meeting starting. That's because we all know sometimes when you are accessing IT, there can be some IT issues, and we want to make sure that you've got time to resolve those issues before your meeting starts, as each meeting is only 10 minutes long and you might miss out on one of your meetings if you are still trying to sort out your video or your sound. But hopefully this video will give you what you need to make sure it all goes smoothly on the night. So like I said, I'm going to open up the meeting that says confirmed. When I go into that email, it looks something like this. Again, it might look slightly different depending on the email provider that you use. But within that email, you should see a button that says join your appointment. And that's going to open Teams for us, which is the service that we're using for our online meetings. So if you click the join your appointment button, that will open up a tab in your browser. Now, depending on your computer, if you've already got Teams installed on your computer, you might get a different window there that asks if you want to continue in the browser or if you want to use the app. It's up to you which you do in that scenario. In this version, I am continuing in the browser. You also may get a little pop-up that asks if you can access your video and your sound, your camera and your microphone. You need to say allow to that if that pops up, so that enables your camera and microphone to work. You then have this page prior to going into the meeting, which is where you can sort out your sound and your video. So I haven't actually got my camera on at the moment, but here you can switch your camera on and off and check that it's working. And here you can switch your microphone on and off and check that it's working. And if it isn't pre-populated, you can put your name in so the teacher you're meeting with knows how to address you. Once you have done all that and everything looks like it's good to go, all you need to do is click the Join Now button and it will say connecting, and then you get a message letting you know that you're in the waiting room essentially. So once the meeting starts, the teacher will let you into the meeting and everything should run smoothly from there. Hopefully that's given you all the information you need to access your online meetings, and we look forward to seeing you on the night.